In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use formulas in Notion, specifically designed for beginners who are just getting started with this versatile tool. If you've been exploring ways to streamline your workflow in Notion, learning how to effectively use formulas can significantly enhance your database management experience. So let's dive right in and break it down step by step. First off, when you're working within a database in Notion, there might come a time when you need to perform calculations or manipulate data. To begin using formulas, you'll want to start by adding a new property to your database. This is where you'll set up your formula. Simply open your Notion page, and navigate to the database where you want to add this feature. Look towards the headings of your existing columns. Here, you should see an option to add a property. Click on this, and a new column will be created, ready for you to set as a formula. Once you've added this new property, your next task is to choose Formula as the property type. This is crucial because it sets the foundation for all computations you'll perform within this column. Click on the Property Type drop-down list, usually indicated by the property's icon right next to the name. From the list of types, go ahead and select Formula. This step is essential for incorporating those dynamic changes within your data. Now that you've selected Formula, it's time to enter the actual expression. This is where things get really interesting and where you can customize your data handling to suit your specific needs. For example, if you're working with a column labeled Price, you might want to apply a formula that multiplies that value by 2. To do this, simply enter the formula, prop price 2. This Notion language tells the system to take the value from the price column and multiply it by 2, automatically populating your new column with the result. What's truly amazing about Notion is that the formula you've entered auto-calculates. This means as soon as you input the formula, Notion gets to work, evaluating and applying the calculation across the column. You'll instantly see the results appear, saving you time and effort in manual calculations. This automated system doesn't just apply to numbers. You can write expressions for strings, dates, and more, depending on your requirements. And there you have it, a straightforward run-through on using formulas in Notion. Remember, this powerful feature can transform the way you manipulate and utilize data within your databases, making your workflow more efficient and organized. As you get more comfortable with using formulas, you'll unlock countless possibilities, from simple calculations to more complex data manipulations. So take your time to practice and experiment with different formula expressions and see where your creativity can take you. Thanks for watching, and happy notioning.